Hey, what's going on? Fellow YouTubers. All Things Tech here. Just finished putting these side step on the Jeep. These are RedRock side steps. Took me a while because I decided not to read the metal print on the side brackets, and I had to rearrange a couple on the passenger side, but the driver's side was pretty quick. Gonna do a little time lapse and whatnot with the Jeep work, and it's kind of dark so it's hard to see. But yeah, it's done, secure, it's looking good. One thing I want to point out tip-wise is when you put these brackets on, do not tighten them completely until you line the actual side step on top of each of the brackets. There's 3 of them on each side. Line it up, put the screws in, mark it, and then start tightening up everything. So you have some play to actually move the side steps around, or else you're gonna have to loosen up the screws so that you can get some play. All right, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Leave comments below. Let me know what you think about this side step. Thank you for watching All Things Tech. Until next time, be safe. Thank you.